Talo for Lavan, good morning guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Another Sunday cooking episode. It was a bit windy this morning. It was not a bit windy, it was really windy if you guys saw there. It was also raining as well, so I came to the Mkuka and uncle said cancel the umu because it's too windy and it's raining. So we're gonna do a saka now, but not just any saka. We're doing ufi, see that? So we're gonna do a whārifu ufi. Then after that we'll see how we go. Special whātalo for to our Ainga members. Hope everyone's doing okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and we'll see you soon. You might be wondering why I'm putting the pulus like this. It was heavy raining this morning, so see there, not only the entire umu we prepared yesterday was wet, but also all the pulus and the firewood, which is why I'm putting the pulu like this, so that it dries up from the heat and we can use it for the fire. So all the ufi and the kalo, a few kalo there is already been vabalu, scraped, so I just need to once the water boils we'll throw it in, but also need to get started on the popo for the whārifu. Nau a koa ka pēnga ngore umonga. So yeah, okay, for sakaraku. Alright guys, so just finished scraping the coconuts. Just found out that there's a power outage from the strong winds, so I'm pretty sure there's a tree fallen down somewhere on a power line. So we don't know how long that's gonna take. But my kids really wanted to eat roast chicken today, so I'm trying to work my way around how I can still get them their roast chicken for Sunday. Given that there's a power outage, and we can't use the oven. So the oven's back up and running now, but since the power outage, we don't know, I don't know how I'm gonna give them the roast chicken, but you know, as a good father, I'm gonna find a way. But the saka's here, so my plan, I'm thinking at the moment, na pusa peru, ai kao I dunga iere mo. So yeah, that's the plan, because I still want to give my kids their roast chicken. School. fam, so they allow so bedding will come. Not a umu, but just like seeing a messy cow, eating more coming. And they paid my copa, Moka, send bedding also in cow, and then I texted my brother, Pia, my lako, Pia, my swim, Makwa Makang. Like Makwa Makang, ever you or Yashida, ko Kanga in my Yashida, or Lalo, my Yashida, all of my own. While the young meeting also me is. I said it in Makang, but it was like for a good hour and a half. Ang it was, yeah. So, I cancel my lot again. But, you know, that's, what if I cook week? What if I kid if I cook? Yeah, if I could, ikaw with more si Fanga. And if I more cow. And then I also pack a ko fari fufi. Yung mga ikalo lang avelo. Yung ay wipe kao yung singa kalo. Mga ulo pwede siya kamay mo. But yeah, just gotta adapt to the situation. Alright fam, so remember yesterday we got a mokengi from the plantation. We're gonna throw this mokengi onto the umu, but we'll do it in a way I once saw my dad do it, which is he got a mokengi and then carved up all the seeds inside, took it out. And so he carved up the top, took out all the seeds, and then he placed bisubo into the moki. So yeah, we're gonna try it out. I haven't done this in a while. Only saw my dad do it once, so fingers crossed I get it right. Not bad. Alright fam, so we've hollowed out the pumpkin to the best of my abilities, and now we're going to add in the bisupo. Alright fam, so got a little carried away, and then we added in the new, so that on its way now. The umu is almost hot enough. We're probably going to let it die down. All the fuel is gone, and then after that I think we should be done. So what happened was that the power came back on, but we've already got the humu going for the roast chicken, so it's all good. We'll use it. We'll use the humu now as opposed to going back to the oven. We also got our soup bone, our beef knuckles, and that's on the gas oven, so that's good. It's been on since the morning, but yeah, thing is looking good. More time for us. Just finished taking off the sucker. Sucker's ready now. We're gonna get to show the results. Ooh, Ufi is very nice. So we're gonna take that to the house now, and then kau daw muna. So we've just so that we've done the mokengi inside the bisupo. There's still a bit left, so we'll just throw that onto the umu as well. But I think the umu is hot enough, so we're going to get it onto the umu and yeah, get it started. fam, so oh geez. Oh, there we go. Alright fam, so the beef now, the umu is now on. We just scraped another pumpkin from the plantation for the beef knuckle soup. We're just going to get some ginger, the few just behind here, so that we can bring to add in the soup. But yeah, it's smelling really nice. I'm really looking forward to this now.
Kilo é fong fa kung ko kulasa.
Ai. Ai ba.
Kama I.
Terus kako. Isa pa ay kako ba ay ay kaya may kuke sama.
Savali po.
Kada siya kuke. Bumubuo ko ako.
Ako.
Ele kuko para
Ale.
magkawaw sa haba.
Yoy. Mami. Yeah, I'll. Yeah.
Hey, I can't do it. Papua, fui. Kako mau.
Apa ko kako?
Kako sa ko awara kako.
Siang itu kok ngomong. Skapa. Yang ada di ide lah se kingangi. So ba?
Ifa kau duma.
Eh?
Kalau se kupe.
Ye, may fit ka cookie.
Aba ko ka.
May so ba? Kasi ingay for so koko so ba?
So ba ay ko.
E fiala ko ngau mo.
Ko.
Oh. Le may fit ka cookie ngangi, ui lo. Ke ifase o rua si lua kau ngai fia kau ko ngai kau fa kau.
Kai di makala, di maka. Se fukala, di makala, fakala.
Oh, yang ngai kau ma ngai lan fakala. Oh. Alu o sukala. E fase o rua ka kai rumara ua. Ui lo. Ai ku e fit ka cookie, ui lo. Yo lo e fali.
Kai fakala.
Yeah, kai fakala. So yeah, those the kids. They're going to get some cocoa. They said they wanted to sell it. Olha, filei ormo. Filei ormo. E ela não quer o mera ele mo ele chavadi de chico. Tu vai ler aqui mas vai. All right, guys. So that was the kids getting food. One of the chickens that was next to the fireplace, that gave birth, laid eggs, and now it's got chicks. So Fui was walking next to the chicken, and the chicken got aggressive, and she was crying out. But anyway, we're going to get the few and then pass it on to Loy, who is doing the beef knuckle soup, and yeah, wait for the results. I think everything is going according to plan. So we didn't get a good start today because of the weather, but you know, it's part of being resilient. You gotta persevere, you know. All for food, all for food. All right, we're gonna go get the few.
Kakao.
Ito basa niya kami. Dati ako pero kuha ito basa niya kami. Kanyelo.
Sorry.
Wait, wait. Tao yan na sa'yo daw kawa masiyag. Ay.
Ini ay
Ay.
ayape o.
Ayaw pe.
Bunga. Bunga ya.
Wala ay. ayaw kalu. Ari nga wala may ang katenga. Lalo ini pala. Nakuha mayo niya. Nakuha pero ikaw.
Yeah.
Cherry.
Whoop.
What? Yes.
Only a few.
Like,
okay na siya ayaw kay o awangan na katenga. Okay ko ba ayaw kay sila katenga ni.
okay.
How you doing?
Kuy pa po.
That's all. Ni wa mo ya be.
What is you?
Eh ni wa mo ya be.
What is you? What is Alright, so it's almost about an hour now since we baked the omu, howled omu and stuff. So the reason why I've lifted up to an hour because the omu was not that hot. So I wanted to give it more time as well. So I think an hour was a good period. So we get off with omu kama.
Dilo. Kami na sa tiyak lang meron.
I think the boys think it's ready. Alright guys, we're going to foot them. It's been an hour and 10 minutes. Smells good. Smells really good. Ooh. Ooh, look at the pumpkin. Let's go. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, there's just something about doing the omu that's, as opposed to cooking in the conventional oven, it's just mind-blowing. Oh. Wela kalu. Aton mo. Nakakoki supporte ang outfit. Oh, I think to should be supported to me. Kunga on me. Check it. Just gonna check the chicken. Look at the chicken. Beautiful. Just put that back on. Check the pisupo. And the bulking. Oh, look at the oil, man. It's so soft. Yakapi. Alright, I'm gonna set this up. chicken all done. Alright fam, so we've already taken the food to the house now. Just gonna wait for church to finish, and then we'll show you guys the result. So tired. Alright guys, so we've now come to the end of our episode. I'm gonna show you guys the results. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you guys, and I really appreciate it. But yeah, we'll start from this side. So we've got a beef knuckle soup that Loy was doing. I'll show you guys the beef knuckle. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice beef knuckle soup. Look at the stock there. We've got our taro that we did on the umu. We've got our ufi, whalifu ufi, our roast chicken, and then our bisupo that we did in the pumpkins. We just got a bit of pumpkin down there. The wife didn't give me enough pumpkin. I wanted more pumpkin, but that's okay. So yeah guys, the soup is looking really nice. I'm really looking forward to the soup. So yeah guys, very nice food for the Sunday. A bit of a last minute change, but you know, always make do with the changes. Yeah, looking really good. So yeah guys, just want to say thank you for the support. I really appreciate it guys. No, couldn't have made it this far with the channel. I think we just passed the 11,000 subs, so all thanks to you guys. Gonna have tonai now with the family, then I'll call it a day because I'm getting really tired. But if you've enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.